In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to quickly find TradingView through Google, navigate to your profile area, and switch the interface to dark theme for a more comfortable viewing experience. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView and press Enter. You'll see a list of results, but you're looking for the official TradingView.com link. It should be right at the top or near the top. Click that to go straight to the site. If you see multiple options, choose the result that clearly shows TradingView.com and avoid any suspicious lookalikes. This helps ensure you land on the genuine platform with all the latest features. Once the TradingView homepage loads, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the profile icon, typically displayed as a small avatar or a circular icon. Click it to open your account menu. If you're browsing on a smaller screen, you might first need to open the main menu to reveal the profile icon. And if you aren't signed in yet, you may see options to sign in or create an account before the profile menu appears. After you're in, return to the homepage if needed so the profile icon is visible. With the profile menu open, look for the appearance or theme option labeled Dark Theme. Click Dark Theme, and the interface will immediately switch to a darker color palette. You should notice the background shift to deep gray or black tones, with text and chart elements adapting accordingly. This look reduces glare, is gentler on the eyes in low-light environments, and can make chart details stand out more clearly. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment, or refresh your browser to apply the new look across all sections. Keep in mind that you can always return to this same menu to toggle back if you ever prefer a lighter appearance. The setting typically applies consistently throughout your account, so your charts, menus, and watch lists will follow the same theme. And that's it. You used Google to get to the official TradingView site, opened your profile menu from the top right corner, and enabled dark theme for a cleaner, more comfortable workspace. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new setup.